Hey guys, so do you know that the amount of wax your jar can hold is not the amount of wax you should use for your candle? Yeah, your wax has weight and so does your fragrance oil. So both of them combined is what should amount to the total number of weight that your jar can hold, if that makes sense. Otherwise, then you always have leftover wax, and I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate how much wax you need and how much fragrance oil you need for your candle. Don't use a 10-ounce wax for a 10-ounce jar of candle and then 10% fragrance load. You have too much, so you have leftover. Both combined should amount to 10 ounce. So guys, if you're interested in this video, click the subscribe button and let's get straight into it. Okay, so let's assume that our jar can hold 10 ounces of wax, and then let's assume that the fragrance load we've decided to use is 10%. Since everyone uses 10% these days, let's stick with 10%. So what you want to do right now is add 100% to your percentage fragrance load and then divide your total number of jar by that. So what we're going to do is the total number our jar can hold is 10 divided by 100% plus the fragrance load, which is 10%, right? So what we're going to do is add this. What we're going to do is add this to get the total of 110%. So we're going to still divide 10 divided by 110%. Now we need to find what 110% is. 110% is simply 110 divided by 100. So 10 divided by 110 divided by 100 is 1.1. So 10 divided by 1.1 will give us 9.09. So this is how much wax we're going to be using for our 10-ounce candle. Now to find the fragrance oil, finding how much fragrance oil you need after finding your wax is super easy. You have a 10-ounce jar and you already know that your wax is 9.09 ounce of that 10 ounce. So what you want to do is subtract that from 10, which is 10 minus 9.09, and our fragrance oil would be 0.91 ounce. So this is our fragrance oil. I hope it is very, very clear. Otherwise, we can just go ahead and just repeat it again. Let's do another example. So this time around, our jar is 12 ounce, and let's assume that our fragrance load is, let's just stick with 10%. Everyone uses 10% these days. So our fragrance load is 10%. So what you want to do is 12 ounce divided by 100% plus 10%. That is 12 divided by 110%, because if you add 100 to 10%, that is 110%. 110% is simply 110 divided by 100, which is 1.1. So we're going to be doing 12 divided by 1.1, and that equals to 10.09 ounce of wax. Once again, to get our fragrance oil, we already know that our jar is a 12-ounce jar, and we know that from that 12 ounce our wax is 10.09. To get the fragrance, we minus the wax from the total amount of jar, and what is left is for the fragrance oil. So 12 minus 10.09, and that is equal to 1.1 ounce of 1.1 ounce of fragrance oil. So guys, make sure that you like this video, subscribe. I hope that I have made it super easy for you. All you need to do is just add 100% to your fragrance load and then 10 divided by that, and it is super easy. If you have any problems, leave your comments below and I'll answer every single one of them. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.